How's it going, guys? All right. So how lucky am I? We got this this other package in. By we, I mean myself. I don't know why. I think I'm talking about my fiance, but I'm just sitting alone in my room right now. All right, we got our friend scissors. Let's go ahead and cut this open. So it's a pretty long day, but I am excited to open this. I saw the DHL come in, and this was another package from eBay. And let's see here, without revealing any information. Import taxes. Oh, it's not very important. Yeah, import tax was about blah 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 blah. Let's see, 1,300. All right, this is Taiwanese, so it's like a little bit over $30 for import. All right, and there we go. There's a package. These are a set of irons, specifically game improvement irons. I am finally going to do it. I have loved the blades. They're really fun, rewarding to hit. But of course, you know, I just want to try like a normal club. You know, one that matches my speed, matches my skill level. But anyway, here we go. All right, let's go ahead and throw this thing down. 3, 2, 1. All right, look at this. The seller packages them up all right, pretty nicely. A seller in the link right here. Right here. Thank you very much. Very fast, timely delivery. And let's go one more time. All right, there they are. There's the clubs. Okay. All right, just from a glance, checking out the overall condition of these things right here. I am literally on my bed right now. That's where I do most of my things. All right, here we go. We got the 5, 6. Huh? Okay, I thought I was missing one. 7. There we go. Let's do this nicely. 7, 6, 7, 8. All right, look at them, guys. They're beautiful. I'm going to come over on this side a little bit. All right, look at the Srixon Z595. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pick up this one. This is, of course, the 5 iron. All right, you see a little bit of wear and tear on that ink there. Yeah, it's nothing a little project can't do to bring that logo back to life, but it's not really a big deal. A little bit of paint here and there. I could easily bring that back. Just a first glance, you know, they don't look too far off from a blade. They've just got this little cavity in here with a little space. You see a little bit of that black that's peeled off. It's interesting that they decided to paint this black on the inside. Kind of a what seems to be kind of a useless thing to do to this paint, to this club here. All right, we'll go ahead and put that away and look at the other ones. Here is the 6. All right, also in pretty decent shape. Let's check out those grooves. Yep, the grooves are still looking all right, like I know. All right, forged. There we go. Okay. We'll skip a couple right there, all pretty good shape. A lot better than my blades. And see, there's another little detail here where there's a little bit of a matte finish mixed in. So a couple different textures. You got this little fat butt here. Then you've got paint all around the black just to give it different colors, and you've got this texture in the middle, and then of course like a brushed metal, and then this is also kind of brushed as well. I don't even really know what to call it. Honestly, this kind of feels like a little cover. Is that a cover that's just placed in there, like a little insert? I don't know. All right, and here's the pitching wedge. There you go, the beefiest of them all. Look at that. Beefy. Okay. There we go, the Srixon. All right, let's check out the shaft. What's going on with the shaft here? All right, we've got an NS Pro. Got an NS Pro Nippon, probably Nippon, right? Nippon. Yeah, Nippon 980GH regular flex, made in Japan. Yeah, okay. And then the Srixon stock grips. I think these are the stock grips. You guys let me know. I'm not really sure. Tour Velvet. Golf Pride Srixon grips. Okay. Well, there they are in all their glory. I'm going to test these out as soon as I can, probably Saturday morning after I go bird watching. I'm going to get a little round in. There they are. I'm pretty excited, you know. This week I have been winning and winning. I've got 2 packages in. I don't know why I've never... This says something on here. Look at it. Still a tag on it. From someone source from Japan. Someone's tag. They were just selling them, I guess, at their store. But anyway, I've never ordered like something like this off of eBay. I don't know why. Kind of makes sense. I've always been a proponent of going to like Play It Again Sports to get clubs, or doing yard sales, or even going to a store. But you know, store bought is just so expensive, and I feel like you can have a lot of fun with this. And I'll put the price down low. These are, I think, a little bit over 400 USD. I believe it was like 430 USD. And I'll also put the seller in there. So here's my new set, guys. All irons. We go P through 5. And my other new addition, which are these beauties here. A little mixed set. We've got the Mizuno 56, Mizuno 50 T7s. Interesting. These actually, I thought these would be boron. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. GF Forge 1025E. I'm gonna look it up after this and put it in the video. But we'll find out what those are. But there they are, guys. Excited. Hope you guys tune in for the next video. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys very much. If you guys have any comments about these clubs, have you played the Srixon Z565 or the Mizuno T7s, let me know. Or if you have a suggestion, just pop it in there. Or if you're really nice, you can send me a whole bunch of clubs. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.